Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to share sticker packs on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. From chats, open any conversation to send or share sticker packs. Tap sticker icon on bottom left. Again, tap sticker button from emoji keyboard. Now scroll down and find out the sticker packs you would like to share. Here you will see three dots to share sticker packs. Tap on it and tap send. Then tap green send button. That's it. Sticker pack shared or send. You can use another way to share sticker packs. Open any conversation on WhatsApp. Then tap sticker button on bottom left. Tap sticker button and tap plus sign from bottom right. This will open up all stickers. Tap my stickers. Now select and open sticker packs. Tap share button on top right. Now you can select multiple contacts to send or share sticker packs. Tap send button. That's it. These are the steps to share sticker packs on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.